Minsha and welcome back to my channel Minsha's World. So today I'm going to introduce a new recipe, Potetto Egg Stick. It's absolutely delicious. Friends, shall I say the ingredients? Boiled potato, mozzarella cheese, corn flour, fresh coriander leaves, boiled crushed egg, pepper powder, red chili flakes, salt. Friends, let's start our preparation. First we need to crush our boiled potato. Okay, we need to crush it well. Crush. Friends, next we need to put the all things into the bowl. 90 grams of mozzarella cheese, half cup of coriander leaves, tablespoon of corn flour, next we need to add 3 crushed boiled egg, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of salt, next we need to mix it well. Friends, we need to apply some oil on our hands before we do so. We need to put that thing into our chopping board. Okay. I'm making it in square shape. Next, I am putting another plastic wrap on it. Yeah. Now we are going to spread with a rolling stick. Friends, now I am cutting into 2 equal parts at the center. Now I am cutting it into stick pieces. Friends, now we need to freeze it for 30 minutes. Let's put it in the freezer. Guys, our 30 minutes are over. Next, we need to fry it. Friends, now we need to on the gas. I take here a pan. Next, the pan need to heat. Next, I am adding some sunflower oil. Friends, now we need to put the sticks into oil. Okay, next we need to put the thing into. Okay, it's frying. Yeah. With the same dough, I make some balls also. Next, we need to fry it. Yeah. Okay. So our potato egg stick is ready. We need to taste it. Oh yeah. Oh. Because it's too tasty. It's too tasty. Oh my god. I don't know what I need to say. It's really too tasty. So friends, thank you for watching my video. You need to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends and just press the bell button. Bye bye. Have a good day.